بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Respected parents and my dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Students, this is your social studies class. Let's start our studies. Okay, students, all of you open page 13. Hurry up. All of you open it. Students, in the previous video class, we have studied about many different ways in which we can keep ourselves clean. हमने बहुत से तरीके सीखे and now we all know that how can we keep ourselves clean. हम अपने आप को साफ सुथरा किस तरह रख सकते हैं? Who will tell me what we have to do when we wake up? Yes, very good. We have to wash our face and hands and we have to brush our teeth. Yes, very good. And then we have to take a bath twice a day. And before going to bed, we have to brush our teeth again. Okay, that's very important. And when we are sneezing, as you can see, this boy is sneezing. We have to use a handkerchief or a tissue. Okay, it helps us to prevent germs from spreading all over. And here what this boy is doing, he is washing his hands after using toilet. Yes, that's also a very good habit. And in this picture, what this girl is doing, she is combing her hairs. अपने बालों में कंघी कर रही है. So these all are very good points to wash your hands with soap. And we have to cut our nails. हमें अपने नाखून nails regularly cut करने चाहिए. And it helps us to keep ourselves clean. And we have to comb our hair. So these all were the good healthy habits which we have to use and implement in our daily life. Okay, students. Now we will move towards our today's class. What we have to do in today's class and video lecture. Okay, dear students, now we are having these question answers. And I hope all of my student knows the answers of these questions because in the previous two lectures we have studied about all these questions. So question 1 is, what other things do you do to keep clean? Students, what other things we can do to keep ourselves clean? There are so many ways to keep ourselves clean. So we can write it as, हम इसको लिख सकते हैं कि हम, the question is what other things, आप और क्या क्या करते हैं to keep yourself clean, ताकि आप अपने आप को साफ सुथरा रखें. So we can write it as, we can brush our teeth, we can comb our hairs, we can take bath. There are so many ways. So what we can write? We can keep ourselves clean by taking bath and washing hands, and by brushing teeth. Yes, by cutting our nails. There are so many ways. Okay, so we can write any one or two. What other things? Okay, so we can say that we can brush our teeth and we can take bath to keep ourselves clean. Okay, students, we can keep ourselves clean. हम अपने आप को साफ सुथरा रख सकते हैं by taking bath and washing hands. Excellent. So moving towards question 2, let's see what's question 2. Question 2 is, what things do you need to keep yourself clean? That's a very important question, students. In this question, it is written that what things, हमें क्या चीज़ें चाहिए होती हैं, do we need that to keep ourselves clean, ताकि हम अपने आप को साफ सुथरा रख सकें. What things we need? Who will tell me? Yes. And to answer this question, we can use the pictures to help us. Okay, students, here it is written that use the pictures to help you. Okay, students, so let's see What things do we need to keep ourselves clean? Okay, my dear and lovely students, now tell me that what things do we need to keep ourselves clean? आपको अपने आप को नीट एंड क्लीन रखने के लिए किन किन चीज़ों की ज़रूरत होती है? शाबाश, tell me what this girl is using to keep herself clean. Yes, excellent. She is using a toothbrush and some toothpaste. Very good, smart students. She is using a toothbrush and toothpaste to keep herself clean. Very good. And now let's see what other thing can we use. Yes, you can see this picture. This boy has just took a bath and now he is using a towel. What he is using? He is using a neat and clean towel to keep himself clean. And this is a boy who is using a towel. He is wiping his head with the help of towel. So we can also use a neat and clean towel to wipe our face and head. Okay, students? Very good. And yes, in the next picture, what this boy is doing, he is using something. What he is using, students? He is using a handkerchief and what's next? Yes, or a tissue. Maybe a tissue or a handkerchief. So we have to use a handkerchief and tissue to keep ourselves clean, because if we will sneeze and we will not have any tissue or handkerchief, it will spread the germs all around us. तो जब भी हमें छींक आए, what we have to do? We have to use handkerchief or a tissue, and that's a very good habit, and this is a well-mannered habit. Okay, students? Yes, and now this boy is washing his hands. As you can see this picture, students, what this boy is using? He is using a soap to wash his hands. Soap, we can use soap to keep ourselves clean. Yes, and he's using some water, and he is also using a nail clipper or a nail cutter. Okay, so he can cut his long nails. That's a very good habit, to cut your nails regularly, because they carries all kinds of germs which make us ill. Okay, student? So soap, water, and here it is nail clipper we can use to keep ourselves clean. Okay, students, and now this girl is using a hair comb. She is using a hair comb. Okay, students, so with the help of this comb she can manage her hairs, and this is a very good habit to comb your hairs. Okay, students, so we can use comb. We can use this comb to keep ourselves clean. So now can we answer? Yes, now we can answer all the questions which are given below. Let's come back towards the questions. Okay, students, now can you answer me once again? Yes, what other things do you do to keep clean? आप और क्या कुछ करते हैं दूसरे काम जिनसे आप अपने आप को नीट एंड क्लीन रख सकते हैं? So the answer is, we can keep ourselves clean by taking bath and washing our hands. Very good. And the next question is, what things do you need to keep yourself clean? आपको और कौन सी चीज़ें चाहिए होती हैं जिनकी हेल्प से आप अपने आप को क्लीन रख सकते हैं? So the answer is, we can use toothbrush, toothpaste, towel, handkerchief or a tissue, and nail clippers, soap, water, and comb. Very good. So this was our today's video class. I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. Okay, students, now it's your Homework time. And this is your homework, students. What you have to do, you have to tell me in a video that what things do you use to keep yourself clean. आपने एक वीडियो बनानी है जिसमें आपने मुझे बताना है कि आप कौन कौन सी चीज़ें यूज़ करते हैं टू कीप योर सेल्फ क्लीन, अपने आप को नीट एंड क्लीन रखने के लिए. ओके, यू हैव टू मेक अ शॉर्ट वीडियो एंड देन शेयर योर वीडियो इन योर व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप. Okay, students, I hope you have enjoyed today's class. Stay home, stay safe. Take care, students. Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.